Hi everyone, I am Rakuyu and I work as a fitness personal trainer at Anytime Fitness. I've been in this fitness industry for more than 8 years, and fitness is something that is really important in my daily life. It helps me stay fit physically and mentally. So, doing 10 to 15 minutes of stretching a day can improve your daily life physically and mentally by a mile. Stretching can reduce the stiffness in your body, helps in muscle relaxation, helps in releasing stress, and also improves the posture of your body. These stretches are for beginners and are very easy to perform. Let's start. So first stretch that we're going to start with is the tricep stretch. So what we'll be doing is we'll be lifting one of our arm over the head, and we'll be using the other arm to pull the elbows of the other hand, and we'll stretch towards the side. So what this will do is this will stretch all the three heads of the triceps. The second stretch that we're doing is the neck stretch. So for this movement, we'll just be sitting straight, and then we'll be rotating our head in a circular movement, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise. We'll be doing 10 times each for that. And what this does is it increases flexibility, improves range of motion, and reduces muscle soreness in our neck. So for the third stretch, we'll be doing the upper body and arm stretch. For this stretch, we'll be clubbing our fingers together and lift our hands over the head. And we will try to stretch out as much as we can. We'll hold the stretch there for 5 seconds and repeat this 10 times. Fourth workout that we're doing is a shoulder stretch. So we'll just sit on a chair or on a bed, and we'll get both our hands behind us. We'll club them together, and we'll try to stretch them out as much as we can. So while we do that, we'll try to hold them for 5 seconds and repeat that for 10 to 15 times. What this will do is this will help you in removing all the stiffness that you have in your shoulder area. So the fifth workout that we're doing is the trunk rotation stretch. So for this workout, you have to sit somewhere and you have to cross your leg. And once you're done with crossing the leg, take the opposite hand and put it on top of the leg you crossed, and then stretch out to the side as much as you can. Try holding it for 5 seconds. The next stretch that we're doing is the hip and knee flexion stretch. So for this stretch, you have to sit somewhere where you can lean on your back. While doing that, you'll have to raise your knee while holding both hands, while pulling your knee with both your hands and pull it close to your chest. You have to hold it there for 5 seconds. You have to do that 10 times for each leg. The next stretch that we're doing is the hamstring stretch. For this stretch, you just have to sit somewhere, straighten your legs out, and you have to bend forward and try to touch your feet with both your hands. So while keeping your legs straight so that you can feel all the stretch in your hamstrings. What this workout or stretch does is improves posture, increase flexibility, and prevent lower back pain. So the last stretch that we're doing is the shoulder shrug stretch. So for this stretch, you just have to sit upright and just lift your shoulders. And while you do that, try to focus on your upper back. Try to feel the stretch on your upper back, and just hold it there for 5 seconds every time you do it, and repeat that for 10 to 15 times.